What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been MIA for like almost 3 weeks now, but I'm back. Finally got out of my busy schedule, and yeah, so to make up for those the lost time, I decided to post a few videos in the week, during the week, so you can have fun watching those videos and hopefully you like them. But without any further delay, let's get into one of those unboxing videos. So I have a big box here. I'm really excited to open this box because this is a set, an old OG Funko set that I really wanted for a long time, ever since I've known they have been released. Yeah, I've looked everywhere for the set. I tried to get it at in mint condition as fast as possible, and it just so happened I came across one of the guys in the community, Hank Forbes. So thank you to him for actually selling me the set that he had, and I'm so excited that it came safely all the way from Cape Town, South Africa to Durban, South Africa. So really excited for this unboxing, and I can't wait to show you. So let's get into it. So thanks for Mr. Forbes for packaging these pops really well in this box, because these are very old pops, so, and the PPG on these are quite high. You can say that the entire set is one of the grail sets, but thank you for the care you put into the packaging, and I'm so glad that it's all safe here. I'm not gonna go in order for the set. I'm just gonna randomly pull them out and show you exactly what I have. So pop number one from this set. Okay, so as soon as you see this pop, you're gonna know exactly what set I'm talking about. Finally have the set in my hand. I just can't believe it. But yeah, it's coming in from 2013, and you did say this particular pop was a bit slightly damaged, but it's not that bad actually. If it goes in a pop armor, it should look good just as is. But coming in from 2013, the first ever Sheldon Cooper pop, number 11 from the television pop Funko Pop line. Look at this. I can't believe I have this in my possession. Really happy with this. And with this pop, they don't have the, like, you know, in Funko always puts the rest of the pops in the set in the back, but this has a small description about the character. So really nice thing that Funko added to this line of Funko Pops. Really nice. So you can see here Sheldon Cooper has the Green Lantern t-shirt that he wears in the Big Bang Theory show. So really nice. Okay, that's that one. So I'm not gonna go in order, but yeah, so that's the first ever Sheldon Cooper Funko Pop. So really excited to have that in my personal collection. Then we have Bernadette, number 58 in the line. You can see here, really nice. Also coming in from 2013. Really nice. You can see the old designs for Funko. You can see that in these pops. So happy with this. Yeah, so that's that pop from the set. Okay. And this pop, Penny, number 56. I think this is the first Penny Pop as well, first Bernadette Pop, first Penny Pop, also coming in from 2013. You can see there, really nice old design. Wow. Yeah, can't believe I have this set. Then the original Howard Wolowitz. I think in my previous video, Alex from Zen Cave, he sent me a freebie, and it was a figure of Howard Wolowitz. And this is the Funko Pop, also coming in from 2013. Howard Wolowitz, number 59. Really nice. Wow. Then I have Leonard Hofstadter, number 45 in the line. This is the original pop, also coming in from 2013. This is also the first Leonard pop, so really excited to have the OG set in my collection. Amy Farrah Fowler, number 42 in the OG set. Also coming in from 2013. Really nice pop. So that one is in the OG set, and I think my favorite character in Big Bang Theory, Raj Kutrapali, number 57 in the line in the set, also coming in from 2013. Really nice. So that's the entire set, and I made a deal with Mr. Forbes. So this one is also from the Big Bang Theory set. It also, I think this came in from 2014. Okay, so this pop came out in 2012. So this is the most expensive Sheldon Cooper pop. Actually, the second most expensive now. It used to be the first most expensive. But those were the SDCC 2013 Funko Pops. That was the entire set. But this was, well, it's still high up there in the PPG value, but yeah, I'm really happy that Forbes gave me a good deal on this. So this is coming in from 2012, and it's Sheldon Cooper, number 11 again, but this time he has the Flash t-shirt, as you can see here, and it's coming in from Astro Zombies. It has the sticker. So PPG on this, I think it's $670 at the moment. So super excited to have this in my collection. Yeah, and that's it for the unboxing and the set, entire set. So happy that I finally got the set in hand, and yeah, it's gonna all go in Funko Pop Pop Shield armors, $7 a pop. Yeah, and that's it for the unboxing. The next video will be another unboxing. It's quite a grail unboxing as well, so look forward to that video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.